Welcome. If you're someone who uses Discord on multiple devices, you know how important it is to keep your settings consistent everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the Sync Across Clients feature in Discord Mobile, so your preferences stay the same no matter where you log in. This guide is updated for the latest version, so you'll be up and running in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your mobile device. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring you to your user settings. Next, you'll want to find the Settings menu. Look for the little gear icon, usually near the top or right next to your username. Tap on the Settings icon to open up all the customization options available to you. Now, scroll down through the Settings menu until you see the Appearance section. This is where you can change how Discord looks and feels on your device. Tap on Appearance to open up those options. Here's the important part. Look for the toggle labeled Sync Across Clients. This option lets you keep your appearance settings the same on every device where you use Discord. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once it's enabled, make sure to save your changes if prompted. And that's it. With Sync Across Clients turned on, your theme, font size, and other appearance settings will automatically update across all your devices, whether you're chatting on your phone, tablet, or computer. Keeping your Discord experience consistent has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.